In this video, I'll be showing some interesting techniques in multiplication for those numbers whose sum of unit place is 10 and the digits before that are same. Now we can see that the first question is 24 into 26. Now the units place are 4 and 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10 and the digit near to that is 2. So 2 and 2 both are same numbers. So we can do this in 2 steps. So first you have to multiply 6 4s are 24 and write here. Next step is the next number near to the unit place is 2. So 2 into 3, multiply this 2 with the next number. 2 3s are 6. So write here 6. Write here 6. So the answer is 624. Now the next question is 38 into 32. Here also you can check it. Check, that is the sum of the units place. 8 plus 2 is 10 and the digit near to that number is 3. 3 same numbers we are getting and the units place sum is also 10, right? So next, how to find out this number? Find out this product. 8 2s are 16. 16 you can write here. Now the next number is 3, right? Next to 3 is 4. So multiply 3 with 4. So 3 4s are 12. So the answer is 1216. Now the next number is 45 into 45. You can check the number also. 5 plus 5 is 10. And the number near to that number is also 4. Same numbers we are getting 4 and 4. So the first step is 5 5s are 25. Multiply the number and write 2-digit number here. Now 4 and 4. Same numbers are the 4. So 4 into 5. 4 is multiplying with the 5. That is 20. Write 20 here. So the answer is 2025. So the next question is 63 into 67. So 7 3s are 21. Now 6. The next number, that is 6 into 7 is equal to 42. So the answer is 4221. The next one is 1 9s are 9. But we are getting only 1-digit number. So you have to write 2 digits. Always you have to write the 2-digit number. 1 9s are 9. 9 you can write as 09. So it became a 2-digit number. 9 became 09. So it is also a 2-digit number. So 1 9s are 9. Next one is 8. So the number next to 8 is 9. So multiply this 8 with 9. So 8 9s are 72. So the answer is 7209. So what will be 112 into 113? Find out and write in the comment box. Now you have to check one more thing. If this is possible only if the sum of units place is 10 and the number before that are same.